Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Cracker. In today's short tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Steam account on your mobile phone. Before we begin, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Steam. Tap on the official Steam website. Once you're on the home page, open the main menu in the top corner, then tap Login and select Create Account. Now enter your email address, confirm it by typing it again, and select your country. Complete the CAPTCHA and check the box to confirm that you're 13 years or older. Once you've done that, tap on the Continue button. Steam will now send you a verification email. Go to your inbox and open the email from Steam. Tap on Verify My Email Address. Once done, return to the Browser tab where you were creating your account. Now it's time to create your Steam username. Choose a unique account name, then set a secure password, and retype it to confirm. When everything's set, tap on the Done button to finish creating your account. Next, open the Play Store or App Store on your phone and search for the Steam app. Download and install. Once installed, open the Steam app and log in using your newly created account details. Steam will send a code to your email for verification. Copy the code from your email, paste it into the app, and tap Sign In. And that's it! Your Steam account is now ready to use on your mobile. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Cracker for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.